You are in the vibrant tech world of the 21st century. IBM stands tall as a futuristic tech haven. Their headquarters look like something out of a sci-fi movie, a gleaming, awe-inspiring structure with holographic projections and flying drones buzzing around. Inside the magnificent building, you step into a dazzling lobby, greeted by a friendly AI receptionist called Ava. It's like walking into a tech wonderland. But as you venture deeper into IBM's high-tech realm, you notice something intriguing. Behind closed doors, at that back office, where the HR department should be, another AI supercomputer. But this is no ordinary AI. In this gripping video, we'll unveil the shocking truth behind IBM's current move of replacing humans with machines. Join us as we shine a light on the untold stories, uncovering the secrets and controversies that lie at the heart of one of the world's most influential tech giants. IBM has always been about innovation and pushing the boundaries of what technology can do. Their core objective is to create cutting-edge solutions that help businesses and organizations thrive in this digital age. Back in the early 20th century, specifically in 1911, a few key players came together to lay the foundation for International Business Machines Corporation, better known as IBM. The story starts with Charles Ranlett Flint, a savvy entrepreneur and founder of CTR. CTR initially focused on manufacturing machines for various purposes, like tabulating and recording data. And here's where it gets really interesting. With Thomas J. Watson Sr. at the helm, IBM saw exponential growth. Watson's management style was legendary. One of his famous mottos was encouraging employees to think creatively and solve problems. IBM became a leader in computing technology and played a crucial role during World War II, assisting the Allied forces with their punch card systems and other technologies. Through the decades, IBM was at the forefront of technological advancements, developing mainframe computers, personal computers, and software solutions that shaped the computing landscape as we know it today. Let's fast forward a bit to explore how they ventured into the realm of artificial intelligence. As IBM continued to dominate the tech industry with their hardware and software solutions, they realized that innovation was the key to staying at the top. In the early 2000s, the field of artificial intelligence started gaining traction, and tech companies saw the immense potential it held. IBM, being the visionary company it is, couldn't ignore this new frontier. So in the mid-2000s, IBM began investing heavily in artificial intelligence research and development. One of the pivotal moments in this journey was the development of Watson, a supercomputer system that would forever change the way we look at AI. Watson was created by a team of researchers at IBM, led by David Ferrucci, and it bursts into the scene in 2011 when it famously competed and won against human champions in the quiz show Jeopardy! The world was astounded by Watson's ability to understand natural language, analyze vast amounts of data in seconds, and deliver accurate answers. IBM didn't stop there. They saw the potential of Watson beyond game shows. They realized that Watson's cognitive computing capabilities could be applied to a wide range of real-world problems. So they set out to integrate Watson's AI power into various industries and sectors. They collaborate with healthcare institutions to use Watson to analyze medical data and assist doctors in diagnosing complex diseases. They partner with financial institutions to use Watson's predictive capabilities for risk analysis and investment strategies. IBM also made Watson accessible to developers and businesses through the IBM Watson platform, allowing them to build their AI-powered applications and solutions. As the years went by, IBM continued to push the boundaries of AI, refining Watson's capabilities and exploring new applications for artificial intelligence. They embraced AI as a strategic component of their business and offered AI-powered solutions alongside their traditional offerings. IBM's journey into the world of AI was a testament to their commitment to innovation and their ability to adapt to the ever-changing tech landscape. Watson, the game-changing supercomputer, opened the door to a new era of AI-powered solutions, and IBM's continued investments in AI research solidified their position as a pioneer in the AI industry. Apparently, IBM is replacing humans with machines.
We're all talking about artificial intelligence, and International Business Machines Corp. IBM plans to pause hiring as roughly 7,800 jobs could be replaced by artificial intelligence AI in the coming years. The company's CEO says that hiring specifically in back office functions such as human resources will be suspended or slowed. Now, he added that 30% of non-customer facing roles could be replaced by AI and automations in 5 years. His comments come at a time when AI has become a trending topic around the world, especially with the readily accessible ChatGPT, which was launched in November last year.
So you're in a tech wonderland, living the dream, and then bam, you wake up one day to discover your job is no more. But here's the kicker. In your place is a sleek, shiny machine doing exactly what you do, but this time it's doing it way better.
Just made another sale, $380.
You, my friend, are in a very close second.
I mean, can you imagine the shock? It's like waking up in a sci-fi movie. From self-driving cars to automated customer service, it's everywhere, and it's making our lives easier in so many ways. But with all this progress comes some fear and uncertainty about the future of work.
From the onset of automation, employees across several areas of the economy have feared that there would be a time when machines would take their jobs. A new report from Bloomberg says that that's what's happening at IBM. CEO Arvind Krishna is reportedly pausing hiring for roles that could be replaced by AI. And this comes after Dropbox warned of layoffs, noting the need to incorporate AI.
Cloud and AI are hot topics, and there's no denying their potential. But let's not get carried away with the hype. The allure of cloud and AI is hard to resist. They promise efficiency, automation, and all that jazz. Not everything in the world revolves around these two technologies. Don't get me wrong, they have their place, but let's not overlook the beauty of diversity. The world is a vast and dynamic place, and there's so much more to it than just cloud and AI. And let's be real, applying cloud and AI to an industry can be a double-edged sword. It might present opportunities, but also comes with its fair share of challenges.
Isn't everything in the world about cloud and AI?
Right.
And if you think about applying those two technologies to this wonderful industry, what an opportunity.
Obviously, the IBM CEO Arvind Krishna seems to think otherwise in this interview he had with CNBC International.
IBM is planting a new flag in the artificial intelligence realm today at its Think conference, announcing Watson X. This time, Watson itself isn't the AI so much as it's a set of tools and resources to help customers tailor other AI to their needs.
At IBM's Think conference, they dropped a bombshell called Watson X. IBM's planting a new flag in the AI realm, and it's all about empowering customers to harness the power of AI in their own unique ways. It's like a toolkit for building custom AI solutions that fit like a glove. So picture this, you've got Watson X, a versatile set of tools at your disposal. It's like having a supercharged AI assistant that you can mold and shape to suit your business requirements. It's the perfect fusion of human ingenuity and cutting-edge technology. So whether you're in healthcare, finance, or any other industry, Watson X is here to lend a helping hand. By democratizing AI tools and resources, IBM is leveling the playing field. It's empowering businesses big and small to take charge of their AI journey and create solutions that push the boundaries of innovation. But then, there seems to be a mix in the entire story. Now you might be thinking, okay, that sounds cool and all, but why this sudden shift? And here's where things get a little suspicious.
I do believe that AI is going to replace a lot of what I'm calling white-collar clerical jobs. So the ones that are much more repetitive, the ones where people do the same task again and again and again, I think a good 30% of those roles could go away over 5 years.
Well, the robots are coming, and that means thousands of jobs are heading to the chopping block. According to Bloomberg, IBM CEO Arvind Krishna says hiring in back office roles will be suspended or slowed amid advances in artificial intelligence. Now, Krishna says he could easily see 30% of non-customer facing roles being replaced by AI and automation over the next several years.
That's a lot of jobs on the line. So is Watson X just a convenient cover-up? Are they trying to sugarcoat the fact that AI is making its way into the workforce, replacing human jobs left and right? I'm all for innovation, but let's not ignore the elephant in the room. Let's not forget the human cost. It's essential to approach AI with caution and ensure that we're not sacrificing people's livelihoods in the name of progress. Let's take a closer look at what's going on in IBM. So apparently they're planning a massive reduction in their back office jobs, around 7,800 roles. Now the CEO claims that these jobs involve mundane tasks like providing employment verification letters or moving employees between departments. Hold up a second, mundane tasks in HR? That's a bit surprising, right? I mean, HR is a critical department in any company. It's all about people, right? So cutting jobs in HR could have some serious implications. It makes you wonder, What about the human touch? HR is all about understanding employees, supporting them, and ensuring a healthy work environment. Will AI be able to provide that level of care and empathy? Let's put people first and make sure that AI works for us, not against us. Sure, AI and automation can increase efficiency, but at what cost? Are they putting profits before people? It sure seems like it. Companies have to adapt and stay competitive, but there's a right way and a wrong way to do it. And let's not forget that AI isn't some magic potion that solves all of our problems. Humans bring creativity, empathy, and critical thinking to the table, and that's something AI can't replicate. So while we're embracing AI's potential, let's also remember to invest in our workforce. Upskilling, reskilling, and supporting our employees will be crucial to navigate this AI-driven future. And you know what? This isn't just about IBM. It's a broader conversation we need to have as a society.
Dropbox is actively taking the hatchet to its workforce. Dropbox says it is laying off about 500 workers. That translates to around 16% of its workforce. CEO Drew Houston blamed the economy, but also laid out a vision to boost the company's AI division.
AI is transforming the way we work, and we've got to be proactive in preparing for these changes. You see, while they're cutting jobs, they're also talking about boosting their AI division. It's like a classic case of out with the old, in with the new. So as we navigate this ever-changing tech world, let's keep a watchful eye on how companies handle their workforce. Let's advocate for a future where technology and humanity can coexist in harmony. Remember, behind every decision and every number, there are real people with real lives. Let's not forget the human side of tech and work towards a world where both can thrive. Together, we can create a more equitable and just society. Subscribe to our channel for more thought-provoking content, and let's be the change we wish to see in the world. Thank you for being part of this conversation. Stay informed, stay empowered, and let's work towards a brighter and more inclusive future for all.